Today we are going to install the FortiGate Rugged 60F into the RM-FR-T16 from Rackmount.IT. The installation for the 60F-3G4G is the same as the 60F shown in this video. You will need the FortiGate appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit and 3 zip ties. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the FortiGate. Place your FortiGate on the rack and fix the appliance from the bottom with the bolt provided by Fortinet and tighten it lightly. Optionally, if you have purchased a power supply from a third party, there is a possibility to secure it next to the appliance with the included zip ties. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the kit into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.